welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to be working on question 4 of this year 2025 November GCE. And as we have it here, question 4, so figure 4 shows an isometric projection of a block, and then here we have that we are to draw full size and in third angle orthographic projection. The question A, the front elevation in direction of arrow F, then question B, plan, and question C, left end elevation. Alright, so we have this question. This is the diagram that we are given, and as you can see dimensions here, we're asked to draw the orthographic views of this isometric block in first angle orthographic projection. Alright, so let's go and see what we are to do. And you need to know that in third angle projection, we place the top view or plan above the front elevation, but I'm going to go this way now. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line on this surface. So I have the horizontal line, so like this. Okay, so now, so I will come to this point. So I'll come to this point here, just somewhere here. I'm going to draw a vertical line here. I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I want to draw the plan. Okay, so for the plan, so we are looking at the object down here. So we are looking at this surface. That is the plan. We are looking at this surface. That is the plan. Or if I'm to start with the front, okay, let's start with the front elevation. Let's start with the front elevation, then we can project it up for us to get the plan. So the front elevation in direction of arrow F, as we are told here, front elevation in direction of arrow F. So we are going to see this rectangle, and then we are going to see this rectangle. It will just be a vertical rectangle. Then we are going to see this rectangle, and then we are going to see this surface here, and then this rectangular hole that we have here will be hidden from us within this rectangle here. So let's start. Okay, so what I'm going to do, what is the total height of the object? It is 40 millimeters. So it is 40 millimeters. So that 40 millimeters, so I'm going to take that 40 millimeters, I'm going to take it from this point. So I'll take 40 millimeters down. This is 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. Okay, so then we have that the thickness of this from here to here is 15 millimeters. Is put given here. So that means from this point where this 40 ends, we take 15 millimeters up. This is 15 millimeters. Okay, then what else do we have here? So let us draw this line. So this line, we draw it as horizontal line, so to both sides. Okay, so we take it to this side and also to this side, and then here also we draw the horizontal line, so to this side and this side. Okay, so what is the distance from here to here? We have it up here to be 60 millimeters. So we are going to take 60 millimeters from this point. So I'm going to take a measurement of 60 millimeters. This is 60 millimeters here. So I want us to take the measurement here again. So the thickness of this rectangle is 15. Same thing applies to this, also 15 millimeters. Okay, so here we come. So we are going to take 15 millimeters from here. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, and from this end we also take 15 millimeters in here. Okay, we have 15 millimeters. So at this point here, we are going to draw a vertical line. So we draw it up and down because of the plan that we are going to draw up here. So because we are projecting, we are drawing this in third angle orthographic projection, so we also draw a vertical line. So from this point we also draw a vertical line down here. Okay, so we have this, and then I'm looking at this line. This line is not straight. Okay, I'll just okay, so we have it straight, and then so coming here we also draw a vertical line like this. All right, so and then the next thing that we are going to do is that, okay, so we just need to put this shape here now, and what we are going to put here is going to be hidden within this surface. It will be hidden within this surface. So what we are just putting here is distance from here to here, distance from here to here, and that is 15 millimeters from here to here. That's 15 millimeters. That's what we are putting inside here. So we just take we look for the midpoint. So we look for the midpoint. So 60 by 2 is 30. So this is the midpoint. Then we now have what? We now take a measurement of 7.5 millimeters to the right side. This is 7.5, and 7.5 millimeters to the left side here. So this is 7.5. Okay, so we are going to draw a vertical line here. So we also draw a vertical line from this point up because of the plan that we are going to draw. So we take a vertical line up and coming here also we take a vertical line up here like this. Okay, so for the front elevation we have completed what we have as the front elevation. We have completed what we have as the front elevation, and for me to bring out the outlines to make it a thick line, so I'm going to make this line. So I'll draw this line, so using my black pen, so making it a thick line. Okay, so and then so this line also from here to here, it will be a thick line. So this one will come down. Okay, then within this part, so this will be drawn with short dashes line for the rectangular hole. So it's width, that's what we took here. And then here also this will be drawn with short dashes line. Okay, so we draw this with short dashes line. So we have this, and then so this one here, so we have it from here to here. Okay, and then we also have this one as a thick line from here down. So this line, so from here to this end, it will be a thick line. From here to this end, it will be a thick line, and also this line will be a thick line from here to here. And then we also have this one to be a thick line from here to here. Alright, so here we have the front elevation in place. So this is the front elevation. So just let us put FE as the front elevation. Okay. So let's go and look at the plan. So we are placing the plan up here because we are producing the orthographic views in third angle projection. Now, so for the plan, so this is, we are looking at this surface. So we are going to see this rectangle. So we are going to see this rectangle. We see this rectangle and we see this surface, including this rectangular hole here. Okay, to be a rectangle in the plan. So what we are to do now is that, so we come up a bit to separate the plan from the front elevation. We come up a little bit and we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so we have this horizontal line now. So what is the total length of the plan? Total length of the plan, I mean from here to here, is 55 millimeters. So we are going to take a measurement of 55 millimeters on this line, 55 millimeters. So from this line, we take 55 millimeters up. So this is 55 millimeters here. So here we have 55 millimeters. Okay, so here we are going to draw horizontal line. So from this point, we draw horizontal line. So we draw it, so all to this end here and to this side here. Okay, so we have this. Okay, just let me make this, draw this line, touch this end, and let me draw this also. Alright, so now, so the first thing that we are going to place up here is that we are going to place this rectangle. So this rectangle will be up here, and the thickness is also 15 millimeters. So let's take that measurement of 15 millimeters down from this line. So this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so from this point we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line, so to this side and also to this side. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to see here is that look at this rectangle that we have here. This rectangle, unlike this one, you can see that this one from here it reaches this end. Okay, but for this, so it moves backward a bit by 25 millimeters. So we have to take that measurement. So we have to come. So look at this. So this is where we are going to have the rectangle. Then we take a measurement of 25 millimeters up this. So 25 millimeters up. So this is 25 millimeters here. Okay, so this is how shorter is going to be in the plan. So what we have to do here now is that we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line from here to here. Okay, so that's how we are going to have it there. So this rectangle is now here, while for this one it goes from this end to this point here. That's what we have there. So for the rectangle that we have here, so we have a distance from here to here to be 10. Okay, distance from here to here to be 10, and from here to here we have to take 10. Okay, we have to take 10, and then the width is, we have already taken the width, so let's just get that 10 that we have. Okay, so okay, so looking at, I already have it here. So what I just need to do is to position it right. I have to take 10, so I'll take 10 from here. So this is 10 millimeters up here. So this is 10 millimeter up. Okay, so we have this. All right, and then Okay, so we have it here, and then its length, so its length is not given to us. The length of the rectangle from here to here is not given to us. Even from here to here is not given. They only give us the width from here to here. But I'm going to assume that, okay, I will take, okay, I'll just take this distance from here to here. I will take it as 15 millimeters. That's what I'm going to do. So coming to this line here, I will take 15 millimeters. So I'll take 15 millimeters down here. So 15 millimeters down. So this is so here is that 15. I'm looking at that space. Okay, let's take it as 10. So I'll take it as 10 so that that rectangle can come out. So here at this point, I'm going to draw a horizontal line to this side, and then for this also we take horizontal line. There are so many lines, so we take horizontal line to this side. Okay, so looking at what we have here, the plan is already here. So what I'm going to do now, let's see what we are going to do. Let's first of all bring out this rectangle. So here we have from here to here, and from here to here as the rectangle that we see within that plan, surface on the plan. So we have this, okay. So this line also, we are going to make this line, we make it a thick line from here to this end. So it will be a thick line from here to this end, okay. And then this line from here, it will be a thick line from here down, okay. And then this one also will be a thick line from here down here, okay. And then for that small rectangle that we have, so for the rectangle that we have, this is how it will be in the plan. So this line also will be a thick line from here to this end like this, and this will also be a thick line from here to this end. So we have it like this, and then so here we make this a thick line from here to here. This is how it will be. And then for this one, so we also make this a thick line from here to this end. So here we have the plan in place. So this is the plan, this is the top view. This rectangle is what we have here. This rectangle that we have here, this is how short it will be in the plan. So because this is not the true shape of the rectangle, and also for this one, this is how it will be in the plan. And then this line that I drew here, this is the line, and then this rectangle that we have here, we have it here. So this is the plan of the top view. So I will write plan here. So this is the plan, okay. So here we have the plan of that object like this, okay. So this is it. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the left hand elevation as we are instructed. So these views are being drawn in third angle projection. So we are left to produce the left hand elevation. Let's go and draw the plan. The left hand elevation. So this is the left hand elevation. So in third angle projection, the left hand elevation is placed on the left side of the front elevation. So we are placing it here, which is the left side of the front elevation. Okay, so what we are to do in this case, so it goes as follows. So what you are to do now is that, so you take your 45 degrees set square, 45 degrees set square, set it at this point on the front elevation here on this point of the front elevation, and draw this line at an angle 45 degree to the horizontal. So this line is at angle 45 to each of this line. So what we are to do now is that we are going to be drawing a vertical line from each of these points where this line touches these horizontal lines. So it touches it here, okay, it touches it here, it touches it here, okay, it touches it at this point, and then so we also have it touches at this point and also at this point. So we are going to draw a vertical line down from each of these points. So I'll just come to this point, okay, so draw a vertical line down here like this, okay, touching this line, and then I'll come to this point here. I will draw a vertical line down from here, okay, then coming here we draw a vertical line down here, and then at this point we draw a vertical line down. So at this point also we take a vertical line down, and then lastly at this point we take a vertical line down. Alright, so now we can now go and bring out the shape of that left hand elevation. So this shape that we see here, this is how we are going to be seeing it here on this side of the front elevation. So this is the shape that we want to bring out. So first of all, so at this point here, at this point here, so we have this line. So this line coming down like this at this point, and this point is located here. So it is located here. So if you go like this, so from here down we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so we draw a vertical line like this, so we have it here like this. Okay, so let's take note of that. And then, so I want us to draw this line. So this line goes from this end to this end. That is what? That is from here to here. So this point is what we have gotten here, and this point here, where do we have it? We have it at this point down here. So it means that we have to draw the line. So from here to this point here. Okay, so here we have it here. And then what about this short vertical line? This short vertical line that we have here, so it is what? It is from this point on the front elevation to this point, so which is this point to this point here. So let's take it. So we have it like this. Okay, so here we have it here. Alright, so then let me just shift it a bit here. Alright, so then we now have this line. This line goes from this point to this point. So where do we have it? So it goes from this point here to this point. So this point is what we have gotten here. Then it goes from here in here. So where do we have it? We have it along this line, just straight like this. So it means that we have to draw the line. So from here to here. So we have this now from here to here. All right. So then, so if we look at what we have here now to this point that we have here. So this point, let's get this point here. This point that we have here, so it's here. So if you go like this and we come down, so we have it at this point. So we have to get this point, and then we have to draw this line to connect these 2 points together from here to here. And then, so we now have, look at this slant line that we have here. So it is to be drawn from here to, we are joining with this one. So it will just go like this. We are joining together. This is a non-isometric line. So we just join these 2 points together, and then we have that slant line like this. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so we have the point in place. Then other thing that we are going to see here, so part of this line, we are going to see it. Okay, so we are going to see it. So as we have it here, okay, as we have it here, so we are going to draw the line from here. So we are going to draw a line from this point, because this point, this line, so it reaches this point. So that means that we are going to draw a line from here, and we are connecting it to this point. We connect it to this point. This is the point that we are connecting it to, as this line is connected to this line, and this point, they are on the same line. Okay, so all that we have to do is to draw the line from here. So we draw the line from here. Okay, so we draw the line from here, and it goes like this. Alright, so it goes like this. This is how it will be. Okay, so we have that, and then the next thing that we are going to have here, so this line from here to here, it will be hidden from us. We also have it at this point. It will be hidden on this surface. You can't see it. Okay, so what we have to do now is that we are going to make this short dashes line. So it goes like this. The short dashes line for hidden detail. So we use short dashes line, and then also we also have a cut within this part here. Within this part to the end, we have it here. So which is distance from here to here. So we also need to draw that as short dashes line. It is hidden from us, so we make this short dashes line like this. So we have this. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that this rectangular hole is hidden from us, and where do we have it? We are going to show it hidden. So this end, so follow this. So this is it from here down. So we make this short dashes line down from here to here. So short dashes line, so from here to here, and then so this particular point, so we have it here. So we make it short dashes line down here. Okay, so this is the end elevation. So I'll just write EE. Okay, E dot E as the end elevation. So we have it here now. Alright, so this is the orthographic views of this object in third angle projection. Alright, so here we have the orthographic views of this object in third angle projection. So this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. As simple as I've done it here. And then this actually left end elevation. So as simple as I've done it, all you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at this work. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.